Time flies by like a shot from a gun, making hay with the devil in the noonday's sun, striking at the iron while the iron is hot. Paying my dues for the life I got. Living for the minute and I'm living for the day, in my own time, in my own way, heading nowhere just as fast as I can. Yeah, I'm riding on fumes, leaving tracks in the sand. They say that's how you die, a lonely man. Die, yippee, leaving my tracks in the sand. Going at it hard, striving at the wind. They say that's how you die, a lonely man. There's a train to Chicago and a plane to LA. Yeah, I'm meeting in Akron and All Saints Day. Well, it got so late I forgot to call in. Yeah, well, Daddy's doing business at the bar again. They say that's how you die, a lonely man. Leaving my tracks in the sand. Going at it hard, striving at the wind. They say that's how you die, a lonely man. They say that's how you die, a lonely man.
Ambidextrous, switch the left hand on you. Flip this whole skis like only the son of man can do. Predicaments that land in a valley of decision. Listen, I pray the same thing, but not with vain repetition. Listen, are you listening? It's impossible to master highs. How you control a controlling substance with only eyes, only lies, only seeing one side. Correct perception, it turns a blizzard to a breeze. Right, cause on the other hand, I write for left-handers. oversight, stories unknown types. The either or lane, the this or that fame, the lion, lamb, violent, peace, humble beast. And when a man changes ways, story becomes 3D. Words deserve pictures, living and breathing scriptless. Words to miracles, you only can hope and see. The best we all doing is structure and smoke.
But on the other hand, I bring art from the other hand. Powerful brushstrokes of the son of man. You better train your other hand and see what I see. It makes a blizzard to a breeze. On the other hand, I bring art from the other hand. I bring art from the other hand. But on the other hand, we rep art from the other hand. Powerful brushstrokes of the son of man.
This is Citizen Aim inspired, proclaiming the Lord Sire till his lungs retired. Literally, that's what you do when your own organs yell mutiny. For every person who was forced to pick whether they were visual or auditory learners, Michael Black book burners, broad brush victims with a vicious vendetta to prove they are not them. I got you. Every road less traveler. This is what love tastes like if you could only hear my sketchbook. And them drums front and center like they starving for attention. So tempted to wax cold and grow calluses. God grant us a blessing in honor of Oscar Grant. My people hearts have gone. Granted, I expected it told. I apologize, unsung ones. Your stories ain't told much, they don't make for good headlines. No one cares about the lefties. But on the other hand, we rep art from the other hand. Powerful brushstrokes of the son of man. But on the other hand,
but on the other hand, I bring art from the other hand. Powerful brushstrokes of the son of man. You better train your other hand and see what I see. It makes a blizzard to a breeze. On the other hand, I bring art from the other hand. I bring art from the other hand. But on the other hand, we rep art from the other hand. Powerful brushstrokes of the son of man.
I'm so done wasting words, a not so vivid imagery. Enemy wages war and silly me still scrimmaging. Radio prisoners still rape for ratings. I'm sorry, I don't get it. Like the whole world is listening. That's the best you could come up with? An artistic obligation to defend beauty and truth. Rap repeating its dumb behavior, that's a symptom of autism. A micro of the macro. Welcome to the great cultural dumb down. I'm so done wasting words now. But y'all already know this side. I'm finna command Z ya. Unbite the apple, no control CV ya. Take these new raps from hand claps to finger snaps to grid. Desaturate how I live. Multiply the layers, drop the opacity. Make it transparent, I call it God's Photoshop. This here is a collection of the boldest stock images. When the part of you that expects failure speaks too loud, download these images. Fake left and go right. Tell the road less traveled, buckle up and hold tight. This is rap and poetry, MCing and imagery, mic and the canvas, art ambidextrous. I'm so through wasting words.
Stands and who's making the fall.